Yes, it's very important, but I would say the first step is actually finding your goal. What are you trying to achieve? Are you in a stage in your life that moving is the right thing or not? So to do that, I would say find an agent that you can trust. Not just an agent that you just bump into an open house. Somebody you can really trust, and talk to them, see what you should do, especially if you have to sell the house to buy your next home. And after that, if you decided buying a home is the right thing to do, then you get an approval.